Hello my dear children, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, your max teacher Sibi Jalal. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 4, new numbers. Okay, let us start our new chapter. In this chapter we are going to learn about some new numbers in mathematics like rational and irrational numbers, etc. This chapter starts with a square with sides units 1 and the question is to find the length of the diagonal. Okay, we know that the angles of a square is 90 degree. That's here we draw a diagonal AC, right? Okay. To find the length of side AC, we know the length of the side AB and BC. Okay, then we can find the length AC by using Pythagoras theorem. That is, in right angle triangle ABC, AC square is equal to base square plus altitude square. That is 1 square plus 1 square. That is 1 plus 1. AC square is equal to 2. Then AC equal to root 2. In AC is equal to root 2. In a right angle triangle, the angles are 45, 45, 90. Then the ratio of the sides will be 1 is to 1 is to root 2. That is, if the angles of a triangle 45 is to 45 is to 90, then the sides are in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to root 2. This is the important point. Please note that. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC with altitude AD. Okay. Since AD is a altitude, then AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Then 60 degree is the angle of right equilateral triangle. Then altitude in the angle 90 degree. The third angle will be 30 degree. So consider the side of a equilateral triangle as 2 centimeter. Okay, AB is equal to 2 centimeter. Then BD will be 1 centimeter, half of BC. Okay. Then what will be the AD? AD എത്രയാണ് നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കും? It is a right angled triangle. Then by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. That is 2 square minus 1 square. 4 minus 1, 3. AD square is equal to 3. Then AD is equal to root 3. So the length of the AD is root 3. That means consider the angles in the triangle ABD 30, 60, 90. Then the sides are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, 1 is to 30 to opposite 1, 60 to opposite root 3, 90 to opposite 2. Okay, if the angles of a triangle 30 is to 60 is to 90, then the sides are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay. അതായത് 30യും 60യും 90യും എന്ന ആംഗിൾസ് വരുന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിളുടെ സൈഡ്സിൻ്റെ റേഷ്യോ 30യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് 1 ആയിരിക്കും, 60യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് റൂട്ട് 3 ആയിരിക്കും, 90യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് 2 ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഇതും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് പോയിൻ്റ് ആണ്. പ്ലീസ് നോട്ട് ദാറ്റ്. If the side opposite to 30 degree is 10, then the side opposite to 90 degree will be 20. Okay, side opposite to 60 degree will be 10 root 3. What? 10 root 3. Okay. Okay students, let's move to our textbook page number 49 and question number 1. In the picture, the square on the hypotenuse of the topmost right triangle is drawn. Calculate the area and the length of the side of the square. എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് ഈ പിക്ചറിൽ? See, there is first a small right angle triangle with sides 1 meter each. Then the hypotenuse will be root 2. And the second right angle triangle sides with root 2 and 1. The hypotenuse will be root 3. And the third right angle triangle with root 3, 1. Hypotenuse will be root 4. And the fourth right triangle with the root 4 and 1. The side of the square will be root 5. We get the side of the square as root 5. Then we can find the area of the square. That is root 5 into root 5. The area of the square is side into side. That is root 5 into root 5. Let us see. I draw the picture into notebook and I name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, the name of the square is AFGH. We want to find the area of AFGH. Okay, let us consider first the triangle ABC with sides 1 meter. Then the AC will be, B is 90 degree, then A and C are 45 degree. Say, ഒരു ഐസോസിലസ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ആണ്. ദെൻ ദ ഹൈപ്പോട്ടനസ് വിൽ ബി റൂട്ട് 2. root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. Then consider the triangle ACD. Then the C is the 90 degree. Then 1 meter is the altitude and root 2 is the base. Then the hypotenuse will be root 3, that is 1 square plus root 2 whole square, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. AD square is equal to 3, then AD equal to root 3. Then consider the triangle ADE with D 90 degree. Then root A is equal to root 4. Then root 4 1 root 5. AF equal to root 5. The side of the square is root 5. The length of the side of the square is equal to root 5 meter. Then the area of the square AFGH is equal to side into side, that is root 5 into root 5, root 25, that is equal to 5 meter square. Okay, then area is equal to 5 meter square. Let's move to the second question. A square is drawn on the altitude of equilateral triangle of sides 2 meters. That is സൈഡുകൾ 2 മീറ്റർ നീളമുള്ള ഒരു ഇക്വലാറ്റർ ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ ഓൾട്ടിറ്റ്യൂഡ് വെച്ചിട്ടൊരു സ്ക്വയർ വരച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ സൈഡും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം, ഏരിയയും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ സ്ക്വയർ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദി ഓൾട്ടിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ഓഫ് ദി ട്രയാങ്കിൾ. ഓക്കെ, altitude is equal to the side of the square, right? Here we know that the angles of a equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. That we know that altitude is a perpendicular bisector, so the angle here is 90 degree. This angle is the angle of a equilateral triangle, then the angle will be 60 degree. Here is 90 degree and the third angle is 30 degree. So the triangle is, the angles of this triangle is in the ratio 30 is to 60 is to 90. Here I also draw the equilateral triangle and the altitude and the square with the side of altitude. Okay, and the equilateral triangle with side 2 centimeter. Then I marked A, B, C as equilateral triangle and A, F, D, E as the square. And AF is the altitude with 90 degree and B is the angle of equilateral triangle 60 degree and the third angle will be 30 degree. So we know that AB is equal to 2 centimeter. It is given. Then we want to find out the altitude length and BF, AF and BF. So the triangle is in the ratio, the angles of the triangle are in the ratio 30 is to 60 is to 90. So 90യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വരുന്നത് 2 മീറ്റർ ആണ്. 60യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് വരും, root 3. 30യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് 1. ഓക്കെ, the sides are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. ഓക്കെ, 30 is to 60 is to 90 എന്ന റേഷ്യോയിലാണ് ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഉള്ളത്. സോ സൈഡ്സിൻ്റെ റേഷ്യോ എന്തായിരിക്കും, 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Then BF is equal to 1 meter and AF is equal to 60യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വരുന്നത് AF ആണ്. സോ AF is equal to root 3. ഓക്കെ, കിട്ടിയോ? By this method we get the side of the square AFDE. The side of the square is root 3. Then the area of the square is side into side, that is root 3 into root 3, that is root 9, that is 3 meter square. See the second sub question. What are the length of the other two sides of the triangle shown below? Angles 60 and 30 and one side is 2 meters. Let us name the triangle as triangle ABC with BC 2 meter and B 60 degree and C angle C 30 degree. Angle A will be 90 degree. So the third angle will be 90 degree. Interior angles 180 ആണ്. So third angle will be 180. In triangle ABC the angles are in the ratio 30 is to 60 is to 90. Sides are in the ratio അപ്പോൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും, 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Then 90യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഉള്ളത് 2 ആണ്. Then 60യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഉള്ളത് എന്തായിരിക്കും, root 3 ആയിരിക്കും. Then 30യുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഉള്ളത് എന്തായിരിക്കും, 1 ആയിരിക്കും. So AB is equal to 1 meter and AC is equal to root 3 meter. Okay. So we got the two sides, AB equal to 1 meter, AC equal to root 3 meter. And the third question is your homework. Try to do your homework and send me in your max group. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next class.